وقل رب زدني علما.
AI has become a part of everyone's workflow, but we all know that when AI doesn't have a proper answer, it will often hallucinate and give you answers that are totally made up. The people behind quran.com have just released a tool called Qur'an.ai, where you can ground your answers within their content. So the tafsir and the Quranic text and the translations that are available on Quran.com is what ChatGPT or Claude will use in order to give you answers. So in order to get set up, you need a ChatGPT Pro account, for example. You click on server URL and copy it. Go to your account, navigate to settings, go to apps, advanced settings, enable the developer mode, and then create an app. Give the app a name and then paste the URL that you've just copied from their website. For authentication, select no authentication and tick the box to say I understand and want to continue. Once you've created the app, now you're ready to ask it some questions. So let's go ahead and ask it a question. Start off by calling the tool and now ask, what are the themes covered in the longest ayah of the Quran?